Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to RMS tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to work with WorkersEngine. This is one of the new site in my marketplace, and this is a very trusted. This is UK company. They're gonna pay definitely. I already received payment from here, so I will show you the payment proof as well and how to work with WorkersEngine A to Z. Okay, let's start the video first. Before starting the video, I'm going to show you the company details. So this is WorkersEngine Limited. This is a government website in UK. So here this is a company number ever given here. So if you go to WorkersEngine, if you read about, you can see everything about this WorkersEngine, right? And you can see the details of the WorkersEngines. They got address over here as well. They got email address, phone number, everything. So definitely is a trusted. I already withdraw money. I'll show you later. So let's start. First you have to join here. So I already created an account. I'm not going to show you again. First write your name, first name, last name, email address, password, and you have to type your password again. You have to select your country, from which country you are working right now, and accept the terms and conditions. Okay, once you have done it, you'll receive a verification email to your email address. Once you receive your email, just verify it, then you will be able to log in. Okay, let me log in. All right, you can see that I have already logged in here. This is a new account, and I have another account. One thing I wanted to mention, that you can create more than one account. There is no restriction on that, and you can work no problem at all. Okay, and but before we do the money, there is a zero balance right now. When this is a job, you can see, if you click on find jobs, you can see that all available jobs over here. Okay, so these all available jobs here showing. So how to complete a job, I'm just going to show you. So let me click this job. This job will give me 40 cent, not 40 cent, sorry, 4 cent. Okay, 4 cent. Let me complete this job first. So once I complete these jobs, what the requirement, this is a Google category job. So international, that means any countries from the world can do these jobs, and within 2 days, if I complete this job, within 2 days they're gonna verify it. Okay, so anyway, let's see what they're asking for. They expected from the workers. Go to google.com and search for RMS tutorials YouTube channels. So these jobs I'm going to search. Okay, so this one, they told me to go to the google.com. okay, so once I go there, I'll search for this one. Okay, so what I can see is they have given the example here. If you see the pictures, the RMS tutorial YouTube. Okay, so this one is very important. You have to see like this. So anyway, so this one RMS YouTube, this is RMS tutorial YouTube. I can see that. So what they're looking for, search the channel, go to the RMS tutorial YouTube and subscribe my channel. Okay, I'll go there. Okay, I'm here and they're telling me to subscribe. Okay, and first let me see what they're looking for. Proof, screenshot after you search. Okay, so screenshot after search, I missed it, so I have to go to the search. So if I search and I took the screenshot, okay, I've taken the screenshot, and now they're looking for your email ID or YouTube ID. Okay, I'll give that. Okay, first of all, I have to go to the screenshot taken. Okay, they're asking for my email ID or YouTube ID, so I don't have any YouTube channel. So for this ID, I mean, I don't have any YouTube channel at the moment. So from this ID, I'll just write the email. Okay, number 3, they're asking for the screenshot that YouTube subscribe. Okay, so I'm going to YouTube now, Once I go to YouTube, I'll subscribe the channel. Okay, I subscribe the channel. Now I'll take the screenshot. See, I've taken the screenshot of subscribe. Okay, screenshot taken. Okay, I have done work proof. That's it. So they are looking for 2 screenshots. I'll upload both screenshot now. All right, I have uploaded both screenshot and I'll submit the work now. You can see the job is successfully submitted. Now I have to wait for the person who posted the job. I have to wait for him. He gonna approve me. Then my balance will be added here. So this way you can submit a job, and now when I'll get the balance £5 over here, you can withdraw. Okay, so if you want to withdraw, you have to go to wallet. I have to withdraw. My ID is not verified, so I have to verify my ID, and then I can do that. I can withdraw it. So I have to when you will go to verify account, they'll ask you your government card, any government ID card, maybe your national ID card or any passport copy or anything. Then you have to type your full name. You have to type your card number. That means your passport number or maybe national ID card number. Then national ID card or passport first image, or maybe it can be a driving license. So front image and back image and your real image, your picture. It can be passport size picture or any types of picture, and you have to submit it. They're gonna verify it, and once verified, they're gonna approve your account. Okay, then you can do withdraw. Okay, so this is the thing, and this is the advertisement section. If you want to post any advertisement, you can post your advertisement over here. Okay, they have given notice over here. Their Android app is coming, so you can download Android app very soon, and all support messages all notification you will get here. Okay, so I already I can see now. If I want to see your jobs you have done, like which job you have done, applied job, pending task, that means just now I've completed this job, so these all are pending. So and even to post a job, go to post a job. So which country you want to select, just like all country I've selected. So if you want to ignore any country, suppose you don't want Azerbaijan, don't show the ad and don't show your job, so click the Azerbaijan, so people from Azerbaijan, they cannot see your job. Okay, so I want everybody should see. Okay, plus next, select any category from here. Suppose it's Facebook, or maybe Facebook like, share, page like, share, or if you want to go for YouTube, then YouTube subscribe, watch time, subscribe plus watch time, share, anything you can do. Okay, so if I want to share, okay, then put a title over here. Okay, share my channels, or share my video. Okay, share my video. Then what you want, see, I can type visit my channel from the link. They have given the link. Next step, share my channel or share my video any social media platform. Okay, I want to prove as well. Okay, all right, you can see that I'm going to post a job now. This is the title, this is the steps I need. Visit my channel from the link, share my video to any social media platform. Okay, any of my video. Okay, any of my video to any social media platform. So I want proof, so screenshot of the video you share and the social media profile, that from which social media you use to share it. And if you need any if you want to help them to show any like your channel logo or something like that, you can upload it. I'm just going to upload something. Okay, I have uploaded some one image, so that it will be easily identified that what types of job is it. So I'll go for next. This is a very important part. each worker, how much they're gonna earn. If you press arrow, you can see that this is the minimum amount. This is the minimum amount. So one person 4 cent will earn 0.044 cent. That means this 4 cent is the fees for WorkersEngine, and this 4 cent worker will get it. Okay, and how many screenshot you need? Just one, right? One screenshot you need. So here you can see that red button is minimum. It should be £1. You can increase it if you want. You can give them more, okay, or you can give the minimum, okay, and you can increase your more worker. Like suppose you want 50 subscriber or 100 subscriber, you can put 100 subscriber, okay, you need 100. If you put 50, it is okay. If I finish, I don't have any balance, deposit balance, so it don't. If I go to finish, it don't work. I don't have balance. Okay, anyway, once you deposit, you can post a job. Okay, so, and notification, you can see notification over here. So if you have any notification from admin, so you can see over here. For wallet withdraw, you cannot do it until you verify your account. And deposit, you can deposit from your account. You can deposit through Bikash, Rocket, PayPal, Skrill, and Visa, Mastercard. If you are not in Bangladesh, you cannot see these two options, Rocket and Bikash, you cannot see. And if you go to history, you can see your withdraw history, your deposit history, and everything. And refer, if you go to refer, this is a big way to earn. If you share this link and your friend join with this referral link, you can earn. Okay, that earning amount will be added here in earning section. Okay, and the advertisement, if you want to post any ad for your business or your channel or your Facebook page or anything, any link, you can post an ad over here. It will deduct from your deposit. So add title, like here you can see add title. Target destination should be the link. Like suppose if I click here, it will go in some website. Okay, so that link, okay, how many days you want, maybe 1 day in £1, maybe 3 days for £3, okay, like that way. And the banner image, you have to put the banner image. The resolution is given already here. So this one you have to submit the ad, admin will approve it, and then your ad will show here, okay, in the bottom. Okay, and play and earn, from here also you can earn. This is a daily quiz, so every day the quiz will be updated. So you have to answer some questions, sometimes 5 questions, sometimes 10, sometimes 2, sometimes 3. So you have to answer questions, and so many people's maybe gonna give the same right answers, but from them, one of them will get like 50 cents or 50 pence or £1 or maybe £2 bonus, okay, in your earning balance. Okay, and if you have any issue, you can contact them. This is a support page. They got social media support, Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and they got a WhatsApp number as well. You can call them and you can WhatsApp message them as well. They have given the time. This is UK time. This is UK company, so this is UK time they have given. So make sure you check the time and contact them whenever you need. They're gonna help you. And this is a trusted site. I have another account. I'm gonna show you from that account, and I already withdraw from that account. I'm going to show you. All right, I'm just going to logging out and logging in to my another account. See, I have logged into my account, and you can see I got balance and the deposit. I got earning balance as well. So I already withdraw, give a withdraw request as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, if I go see, I can withdraw from PayPal because this account is UK account, so I can withdraw from PayPal. And all right, if you go to deposit, you can see that I can deposit from here. So this one I have done it, and from this account I already withdraw to my PayPal. You can see if I go to my PayPal, I withdraw 2 times from here, and they paid me straight away. So you can see this WorkersEngine, my ID over here is given, WorkersEngine ID 1027. So this is, if you go to your profile, you can see my ID is here 1027, and you can see your affiliate link, referral link. This link you can copy and share. So anyway, so that's all for today. If you have any confusion about Workers Engine, you can contact them. If you want to know more about Workers Engine, you can comment us. We'll try to upload some more videos for any specific part. So definitely we're gonna help you. So thank you for watching this video. Try to share this video in your social media network so that so all of your friends can see that how to work online, and this is one of the trusted sites, so that they can start earning, they can posting their job as well. Thank you for watching this video. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye.